Celebrity interviews are a fascinating part of the film industry, serving as both a promotional tool and a high stakes tightrope walk where stars reveal, intentionally or not, facets of their personas that can make or break their public image. While some celebrities choose to be cautious regarding what they say, others end up speaking their unfiltered shower thoughts, which make for a wild ride.
Being brand Sona, I want people to know that person who puts her foot in her mouth all the time, says stupid things. I'm a snob. I'm like a big snob, and I'm happy doing it. And it's actually really a lot of fun. I love it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Here are 5 such celebrity interviews that left us scratching our heads. Number 1. Sajid Khan. Sajid Khan, a filmmaker who is famous, or rather infamous, for directing films like Himmatwala and Humshakals, once gave an interview that became infamous for its sheer ridiculousness. During the interview, Sajid Khan spoke about his approach to filmmaking. He recalled how someone had compared him to Steven Spielberg. I'm not making this up. Just, hear it for yourself.
बहुत प्लानिंग करनी पड़ी, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी और फाइनली हर दिन मैं ऊपर वाले से दुआ करता था कि आज बराबर हो जाए शूटिंग, आज बराबर, क्योंकि आप बच्ची को कैसे समझाएंगे? 7-8 महीने की छोटी सी बच्ची, उससे एक्सप्रेशन कैसे निकालेंगे? आपको बस कैमरा रख के रेडी करना है, खेलना है, कोशिश करनी है, शूट करते जाना है, 1 लाख फीट स्टॉक मैंने एक्सपोज किया है खाली बच्ची पर, ये देखते हुए कि वो कभी स्माइल करे, कभी रोए, कभी ऐसे देखे, कभी, तो वो मेहनत बहुत की, बहुत। इनफैक्ट किसी ने मुझे कहा भी कि बहुत छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात है, लेकिन किसी ने कहा यू आर लाइक इंडिया स्पीलबर्ग, बिकॉज ओनली स्पीलबर्ग वाज मैड इनफ टू मेक हिज फर्स्ट फिल्म विद एन एनिमल, जो एक मैकेनिकल शार्क थी। एक कहावत, एक रूल है कि फॉर अ फर्स्ट टाइम डायरेक्टर नेवर वर्क विद किड्स एंड एनिमल्स। मैंने दोनों रूल तोड़े जो स्पीलबर्ग ने तोड़े थे।
Number 2. Govinda. Look, Govinda is a legend of Hindi cinema and he has played so many roles that has solidified his mantle as a brilliant actor. But if there's anything that made him popular in the meme culture, it was his 2019 interview. In an episode of Aapki Adalat with Rajat Sharma, the veteran actor dropped a bombshell statement that James Cameron offered him the leading role in Avatar, and Govinda even gave him the title suggestion.
और पिक्चर ज़्यादा चल रही थी उन दिनों, तो थोड़ा सा था, हवा में था मैं।
इतने हवा में थे कि आपने हॉलीवुड की ऑफर मिली थी बड़ी फिल्म की हीरो बनने की, उसको भी ना कर दिया था।
अवतार टाइटल मैं नहीं दिया था, वो बहुत ही सुपरहिट फिल्म हुई थी और मैंने कह भी दिया था उससे कि तुम्हारी फिल्म बहुत चलने वाली है, और मैंने ये भी कह दिया था कि ये फिल्म तुम्हारी 7 साल नहीं बनेगी, तुम पिक्चर नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाओगे, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। तो वो बहुत ही गुस्सा खा गया मुझ पर। अच्छा, मैं सोचा नहीं कि मैं इसके शहर में ही हूँ। तो बहरहाल मैं ऐसे कह के निकला वहाँ पे, तो कह के ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो तुम कि पिक्चर 7 साल नहीं। मैं बोला तुम एक तो ना इस अवतार चाह रहे हो और इस टाइप का अवतार चाह रहे हो कि वो अपंग है और वो ईश्वर का अंश है और वो अपंग है। मैं कहा ये नहीं होगा, ये संभव ही नहीं है।
He further explained his reasoning behind rejecting the role because Cameron wanted him to shoot for 410 days with his whole body painted blue, which he claimed he didn't like.
और मैं जिस टाइप का आदमी हूँ, ये 410 दिन तुम चाह रहे हो कि मैं कहा मैं आयुर्वेद, पतंजलि का चिकित्सा और क्या क्या करता रहता हूँ, और तुम ये कहा मुझे कलर करोगे पूरी बॉडी में मेरे। मैं कहा मुझसे नहीं होगा, सॉरी। तो मैं क्षमा प्रार्थना की थी, परंतु मैं कह दिया था कि ये पिक्चर तुम्हारी सुपरहिट होने वाली है। तो ठीक उसकी 90वें वर्ष में, वो शायद 8वें या 90वें वर्ष में पिक्चर रिलीज हुई और वो सुपरहिट हुई।
The ridiculousness of his statement lies in the details. Avatar's blue skin was never a body paint, but it was rather completely CGI and motion capture. This directly contradicts Govinda's reasoning.
बहुत ही जल्द आपके नजदीकी रील पर।
What is मोबाइल नंबर? What is your स्माइल नंबर? करनी है प्राइवेट बातें।
Number 3. Nandamuri Balkrishna. Nandamuri Balkrishna, often referred to as Balaya by his fans, is a Telugu film star and politician whose interviews are notorious for their wild, absurd, and sometimes downright offensive statements. In 2016, during an audio launch event for his movie Savitri, Balaya said something so sexist and baffling that it makes you wonder what was the man thinking. Take a look at this misfire.
సార్ అన్ని పాత్రలు నేను ఏమంటారు నేను కొన్ని పాత్రల వరకే నేను చేయగలుగుతాను. అమ్మాయిలు అంటే పడమంటే ఎట్టా ఊరుకుంటారు మా ఫ్యాన్స్? ఊరుకోరుగా? అమ్మాయిలు ఎంట పెట్టాలంటే అమ్మాయిలు ఊరుకుంటారు అంటున్నా. వెళ్ళి ముద్దను పెట్టారు, కడుపుని చేసేయాలి అంతే. కమిట్ అనే పోవాలి ఏదో ఒకటి. సో అలాగా సో ఒక్కొక్క పాత్రలు మిడతారు.
This head scratcher of a statement was met with instant backlash from all the sections. There was even a police complaint filed against him.
A police complaint has been filed against Telugu actor Balakrishna for a vulgar comment he made against women on Friday. The 56-year-old actor happens to also be a Telugu Desam MLA from Hindupur and brother-in-law of Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu.
The Telugu Desam Party, TDP, where Balaya was an MLA, had to issue an apology on his behalf, claiming it was all in fun. Number 4 goes to Salman Khan. Salman Khan, one of the biggest superstars of Indian cinema, isn't new to controversies, be it his hit-and-run case or the shooting of Black Buck. He has landed in hot water many times. While promoting his 2016's wrestling drama Sultan, he talked about how intense his training for the role of a wrestler was. But during the talk, he said something so absurd and insensitive that it left us with what the fuck. Listen to this gem.
जब शूटिंग करते हैं तो वो 6 घंटे जो उठापटक होता है, that is unbelievable. So if I've got to pick up a 120 kilo person and drop him down, I've got to do it 10 times. In the wrestling match, it happens once, twice. So it is like the most difficult thing. When I used to walk out of that ring, it used to be actually like a raped woman walking out.
Number 5. Urvashi Rautela. Urvashi Rautela has built a reputation for delivering interview statements that range from stupid to outright ridiculous, often blending self-praise with a knack for saying the wrong thing at the wrong time. Whether it is her claim of being an IITian.
Lastly, was there any connection with IIT? हमेशा जब आपका नाम आता है तो you have written IITian, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, or something was, there was a misconception regarding that.
I scored. I was a physics, chemistry, maths with computer science, and I scored 97% in my 12th board exams. And I do not want to disrespect any IITian. It's a dream for everybody, just like how it was mine. And I was preparing for it, and I have cleared it. So yeah.
She has given us some gem of statements during her promotional interview for her Telugu movie Daku Maharaj, by the way, which also starred Balaya. Interviewer asked her thoughts on the Saif Ali Khan stabbing incident that has taken place just earlier that day. Urvashi quickly pivoted the serious topic to Rolex and Daku Maharaj. You have to see it to believe it.
आज ही जो खबर आई है सैफ, आपने सुना होगा कि काफी पाई हुई चोर उनके घर में घुस गए, उनको चाकू भी लगा, हॉस्पिटलाइज है, हालांकि उनको अभी वो स्टेबल हैं. तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए जिस तरह से रॉबरी या फिर एक्टर के साथ में, आप भी एक एक्टर हैं, जिस तरह हाथापाई हो रही है, अभी तो मान लीजिए सैफ जी ठीक ठाक हैं, हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हैं
जी. अभी मैंने अभी पढ़ा कि अभी वो फाइनली ठीक हो गए हैं, बट इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. कितना ज़्यादा देखभाल करना पड़ता है. अभी आप खुद ही सोचिए, डाकू महाराज की 105 करोड़ की सक्सेस के बाद माय मदर, इन्होंने मुझे गिफ्ट की डायमंड स्टडेड रोलेक्स, एंड माय फादर ने मुझे ये मेरे हाथ में पहनी हुई छोटी सी मिनी वॉच गिफ्ट करी. ये हाँ, इट इज़ लाइक अ गिफ्ट. लाइक अभी 105 हमने पार कर दिया है, तो इट इज़ जस्ट अ गिफ्ट. बट देन हम कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं फील करेंगे बाहर ओपनली या कुछ भी. वी कैन नॉट वेयर कुछ भी, लाइक यू नो, एक तरीके से एक इनसिक्योरिटी हो जाती है कि कोई भी एनीबडी कैन अटैक अस. वो तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अनफॉर्चुनेट है जो वो हुआ.
The interview went viral for obvious reasons, and everyone was roasting Urvashi for her self-indulgent and ignorant comments. The backlash was so bad that she had to clarify and apologize for her
I
comments.
think I should have been way more careful with the way I answered. I do admit that there was I should have answered it more carefully, I think. Also, the incident happened 4 a.m. at the midnight, and the very next day my interviews happened at 8 a.m. So was completely kind of clueless. All I remember is when I was waking up, someone told me that he got hurt. He got hurt. I don't know the intensity of how he got hurt. It can be like a hurt in like a little bit hurt, or I really wasn't aware about the intensity of the what all has happened with him.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you want more of these videos, please subscribe because it actually helps.